In algebra, we have lots of different names for different things. Expressions, equations, formulae, and identities are all slightly different versions of similar things. Then, within these, we have variables, constants, coefficients, and exponents to describe the different parts. We also need to know what the word polynomial means and the different types of polynomials. A polynomial can have constants, variables, and coefficients, and exponents that are 0 or higher. Polynomials can never be divided by a variable. This last one isn't a polynomial because the exponent is a negative. Polynomials can only have positive exponents. So polynomials is a general name. We can divide this down into monomials, binomials, trinomials, and many others. Given that a monocycle has one wheel, and a bicycle has 2 wheels, and a tricycle has 3 wheels, do you think you know the difference between a monomial, binomial, and trinomial? I'm sure you guessed it. A monomial has 1 term, a binomial has 2 terms, and a trinomial has 3 terms. More than 3 terms we just call a polynomial. So which of these are mono, bi, or trinomials? Or not polynomials at all? Pause the video, work it out, click play when you're ready. Did you get them right? So you should now know what polynomials are and that they can never be divided by a variable. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. Why not check out our FuseSchool app as well? Until next time.